In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn profile picture in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or simply updating your profile, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. So let's get started. First, you need to go to LinkedIn. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself at the LinkedIn homepage. If you're already a member, the next step is clicking on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to log in using your LinkedIn credentials. So make sure you have your email and password handy. After entering your login details, click on the Sign In button again to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to LinkedIn's homepage. From here, you want to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top of the web page, often in the navigation bar. When you click on your profile icon, you'll see an option that says View Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your personal profile page where we will make the adjustments. Now that you're on your profile page, the focus is on your profile photo. Finding this is easy. Look just above your name on the page, where you should see your current profile picture or a placeholder if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this profile photo and a small menu should appear giving you a few options. In this menu, look for and select the Edit option. This option will allow you to change, replace, or add a new photo. Once in the Edit Photo mode, you'll have the option to upload a new image. Before you proceed, remember that LinkedIn recommends using a high-quality headshot that presents you in a professional manner. It's best to use a clear and well-lit photo that clearly shows your face against a neutral background. Now, to upload the image, click on the Upload button, often indicated by a camera or a file icon. This will open up a file browser where you can navigate through your computer to find your desired photo. Once you've selected the appropriate image, click Open. LinkedIn will then upload your photo to your profile. You might be prompted to adjust the cropping or positioning to ensure it fits nicely in the frame. After making these adjustments, confirm your changes. Congratulations! You've just added or updated your LinkedIn profile picture. This simple update can greatly enhance your professional appearance on the platform, making a memorable impression on anyone visiting your profile. As always, make sure to check your final result to ensure everything appears as you'd like. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.